Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yub jelly flan. Start by gathering yub halaya, evaporated milk, condensed milk, gelatin, eggs, sugar, and caramel supplies. Prepare caramel in a round pan and set aside. Bloom gelatin in warm water, then dissolve into hot yub mixture. Whisk eggs with milks, fold in yub halaya until smooth. Pour jelly layer first, chill until set before adding flan custard, then steam or bake till firm. Make the jelly layer first for clean separation, and chill it completely. Heat yub mixture with dissolved gelatin, pour into pan, and refrigerate until firm. For flan, whisk 3 eggs with evaporated milk and condensed milk until smooth and airy. Gently pour flan custard over set jelly, cover tightly to prevent skin, then steam or bake in a water bath until a knife comes out clean. Cool fully before unmolding to keep layers intact. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. For rides after grocery runs, grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh car scent that hides kitchen yub aroma. I like how its bold fragrance keeps the car pleasant after baking and tasting sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting this channel. Now let's get back to the video. Balance sweetness by adjusting condensed milk and taste yub halaya before adding sugar. Use clear gelatin for translucent jelly and strain custard to remove bubbles. Control texture by not overcooking eggs and by using a steady water bath for even heat. Chill both layers for at least 4 hours for best slicing. Garnish with toasted coconut or ladduck for contrast, and serve chilled with a thin knife for clean cuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.